This here is the 10 group. Now, and I'm on the right chart, it's right now it's $1,650, but that's across 10 of them. You can see it's only $160 in each account. Now, if I had the group in like the account numbers there, you can't see it, you can see the group. If I had an account number that is not in the 10 group, you would not see this total profit. The account number, the account has to be in the group. Now you'll still see your $161 or whatever it is there, but you won't see the total. I want to go ahead and get rid of this nonsense.
Order filled.
You'll still see the profit. Now there's zero profit in this one now because it was trading nothing more than the whatever it is, S&P 500. Let's see where we at. And a while ago, let's see, S&P 500. See here, this is what we were thinking. Now it never works out for me most of the time, but we were planning on it coming down, bouncing up, and doing the little head and shoulders thing. And it did come down. I mean, will it do it next time? Heck no. Ain't gonna do it the next 10 times. This time just lucked up, and I just happened to be filming. So, you know how that goes. And that's enough going.